So this is how I plan to handle watering the flowers on the deck when we go on vacations and so forth. This is a solar panel. It has a pump built in it, a water pump. And you can set how long you want it to water here. Right now I've got it set to water 20 minutes every 12 hours. So the input of the pump goes to this garbage can that is full of water, and I'm going to top that off, of course, whenever we leave for vacations. The inlet has a filter, and the other cable there is a water level sensor, so the pump stops running if the water ever gets empty in the barrel. From the output of the pump, as you can see here, I'm going to go to the other side so you can get a better look at this. So there's a series of small water pipe and little plastic T connectors, and then these little drip rods. And for every one of these planters, there's 2 drip rods on either side. And then I'm running the wire. You can barely see it, which is a good thing, obviously, but and it's running up underneath the steps. I actually have a single drip rod going up into these hanging planters. You can see the rest of the hose going around. 2 more drip rods in this planter. Another single going up to the hanging planter. And the water line continues underneath the steps. Back up. Another dual drip rod in this planter. And another dual drip rod in that planter. And I estimate this will get the job done, assuming that the water barrel is full at the beginning of a vacation. Should be able to go at least a full week with that watering schedule, if not longer than a week. Hopefully 2, best case scenario. But again, the system is solar powered, so even if we don't get sun, it'll be enough to operate the pump for several days, but the sun will recharge the battery in there. So that's been the project of the week, now complete.